Abe's visit to the controversial Yasukuni Shrine has drawn much media attention and criticism. The BBC carried an interview with a professor at a Japanese university who outlined his views on the country's policy. Professor Jeff Kingston of Temple University in Tokyo said in the interview that Abe is showing he is a tough guy and using the visit as a political tactic to pave the way for the revision of the peace constitution. The UK newspaper The Financial Times reports on its front page that Abe stirs tension. The report says Abe is not honoring his promise made back in 2006. Then he said he would never visit the shrine in order to mend Japan's relations with its neighbors, which had been harmed by his predecessor. An editorial in The Guardian says Shinzo Abe's new nationalism is a throwback to Japanese imperialism, which will make the international community worry about his chauvinism and historical revisionism.